Namaskar doston, and a very good evening to all my hotelier friends. Today I am going to make an appeal from all the hoteliers, on behalf of all the hoteliers, to our Prime Minister and the Tourism Minister and all state tourism ministers. They seem to be taking care of everybody, all sections, farmers, industrialists, laborers. But what about tourism industry people? They are just sitting idle since March. I mean, we are part of industry which contributes almost 8.1% of your GDP. Our country's GDP, our contribution is 8.1%. You know how much does it come to? According to World Travel Tourism Council, it is almost $240 billion. Or our industry is important, sir. That is why you have a cabinet ranked minister. And my appeal goes to them. Please take care of the workforce. You know, tourism industry, GDP ka 8%. Targeting, government target is 10%. And if you actually add the food industry as well, it becomes huge, massive, sir. तो इंडस्ट्री तो चल रही है, प्रोडक्टिविटी हो रहा है, कोर सेक्टर्स आर स्टिल मूविंग वेल, फूड एज अ नेसेसिटी इज डूइंग गुड, बट व्हाट अबाउट होटेलियर्स? व्हाट अबाउट होटेलियर्स, सर? बैठे हुए हैं लोग, दे हैव फैमिलीज. एंड आई थिंक मेरी तरफ से कुछ सुझाव है, शायद आप माने ना माने, बट आई थिंक ऑल होटेलियर्स आर फीलिंग फॉर इट, कि नॉट अ सिंगल वर्ड हैज बीन टॉक्ड अबाउट टूरिज्म इंडस्ट्री. जो 8.1 एंड टारगेटिंग है गवर्नमेंट का, 9.1% तक जाना चाहती है गवर्नमेंट टूरिज्म इंडस्ट्री. यानी यू लव द डॉलर्स, द यूरोज दैट कम इनटू इंडिया. What about the people who are earning it in India and abroad and making it possible? Because Italian marbles, good infrastructure will only be as good as a person makes it to be. Skill India has been targeting for employment of a huge chunk of people. I mean, 42.67 million jobs this industry provided. 42.67 million, sir. और करीब 20,000 professionals every year they are passing out and joining this industry. आपने कुछ नहीं सोचा उनके बारे में. अभी भी वक्त है, 3-4 महीने तो कट गए. Now they are actually feeling the pain. You know, speciality of hotel industry, boys? They can think hard. They are disciplined. They are dedicated. They are focused. And they know the art of working 12 hours, 14 hours, 16 hours with a smiling face. हम मुस्कुराना नहीं भूलते हैं. And we are very good, psychologically very tough people. We can face adversity, still smile. Our dedication is unparalleled. And delivery on time, you ask a chef, you ask a housekeeping boy. आप होटल उतरते हो, यूं टाइम पे आपको रूम मिल जाता है. आप कहीं भी ओडिसी करते हो, यदि मुहूर्त 7 बजे का है तो 6:45 बजे हम रेडी होते हैं. आपको नहीं पता, शायद पिछले 7 दिनों से हमने सोया नहीं होगा. We may not have slept for more than 2-3 hours a day in peak season. So that is how tough our hotel industry workforce is. Why don't you use it, sir? Why don't you use them? मेरा एक बहुत छोटा सा सुझाव है. I am an educationist and I have been giving training professionals for this industry since 1996, almost 25 years. And before that, I'm an alumni of IHM Bangalore as well. And then I have been thinking about this industry. ये 4 महीने में बड़ा समय लगा मुझे खुलकर सामने आने में. But I have been talking to all my students, their unit heads, right from Pondicherry to Rishikesh to Bombay to Gujarat to Rajasthan hotels. They have just laid off their staff, 70% of them. And I admire a lot of properties who are actually paying them. But I really feel the pain when I hear from my students, lot of multinational, in fact, most of them are not paying the staff. They have just put them on hold. Wait, we'll call you back. Let the scene become normal. What are they supposed to do, sir? Just sit idle. You are thinking about farmers and everybody, sir. ना मेरा अपील जाता है सर, आप इमीडिएटली ये जो क्वालिटीज हैं होटेलियर्स के, उनको यूज करो, आप उनको सोशल एक्टिविटी में लगाओ एंड ओपन अप द एवेन्यूज. वी आर वेरी गुड मैनेजर्स, वी कैन रन एनी शो एक्चुअली बिकॉज वी आर कंपैशनेट. हम कोई भी काम जज्बे से करते हैं, जज्बात रहता है, एंड वी आर मोर ऑनेस्ट देन एनीबडी कैन एक्चुअली थिंक ऑफ. So I mean, in this situation, precarious situation, even government is tied up. But use these qualities of our workforce, sir. आप हर थाने के अंडर में, under every PS, under every DM, under every BDO, you make a task force. You call for enrollment of those people जिनको lay off कर दिया गया, बिठा के रखा गया है. You call them. उनको डेटाबेस में तुरंत लॉग इन करने बोलिए आप. And you have a ready workforce of dedicated, disciplined, delivery on time people. आपके पास आर्मी है, एनसीसी है, टेरिटोरियल आर्मी है. व्हाट अबाउट होटेलियर्स? 42 million people, not less than 45 in today's date. I was talking about the consensus of 2018. और आप उनको, you make sure every school when it opens, you make sure every government institution when it opens is monitored by these qualified people जो housekeeping and hygiene में आपको 5-star quality दे सकते हैं. शायद मेरी बात आप समझ रहे होंगे. यू हैव अ रेडी ट्रेन्ड वर्क फोर्स एंड यू हैव मैनेजर लेवल पीपल, यू हैव वर्कर लेवल पीपल, यू हैव सुपरवाइजर लेवल पीपल, एंड दे विल बी वेरी हैप्पी टू डू इट. आई विल टेल यू, क्योंकि हम कोई भी काम बस मुस्कुराते हुए कर जाते हैं, घड़ी नहीं देखते हैं सर. जितनी स्कूल्स खुलेंगी, यू मेक रेडी अ टीम ऑफ 2 people, 3 people, 4 people who will implement your housekeeping guideline, government medical guideline for hygiene, sanitation, to fight against this COVID, because I'm sure we are going to need it for next 1 year. तो क्या है आपके पास 42 to 44 million people ready to get involved into this public sanitization and housekeeping program. Make it mandatory for every school, every college, every institution. आपके पास इतनी पब्लिक सेक्टर यूनिट्स हैं, उनके गेस्ट हाउसेस हैं. एवरी प्लेस नीड्स अ क्वालिफाइड पीपल. आपको ज्यादा इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं देना पड़ेगा. मेक एन स्टैंडर्ड ऑपरेटिंग प्रोसीजर, SOP वी कॉल इट. एंड यूनिट हेड्स शुड मेक श्योर दैट, एंड वो फांकी भी नहीं मारते हैं सर. हमने देखा है कैसे सैनिटाइजेशन होता है, हमने देखा है ये कितनी फांकी मारते हैं. आई मीन, nobody is sincere and 100%, but we hoteliers are actually 100%. क्योंकि आपका सूप वैसा ही टेस्ट करता है 100 बार ऑर्डर दीजिए. आपको रूम वैसा ही क्लीन मिलता है जितनी बार आप आते हो. That speaks volume of our quality deliverance. We will deliver, sir. आप ट्राई करके तो देखो सर. Make sure every government hospital has a team of these professionals. तो आपके पास रेडी पूल है, डेडिकेटेड पूल है, who are ready to work. जो काम करना चाहेंगे वो उसमें अनलॉक करेंगे. And make sure these qualified professional people, maybe a couple of hours of instructions will be sufficient for them. And they will be happy to do it, sir. मेरी आपसे अपील है, इतने सारे लोग जो बैठे हुए हैं, उनको आप इन्वॉल्व करें समाज सेवा, and pay them whatever you want. The happiness index will be still higher. And so many people who will be ready, they will go back to their work again when the industry opens up without any hiccups. But right now it's time to involve these people, make them feel at home. They are feeling now, the feeling is setting in of frustration. सिर्फ 10% से नहीं चलता है सर. सिर्फ 20% एम्प्लॉयड फोर्स है, नहीं चलता है सर. Please think my appeal to Minister of State for Tourism, and I'm forgetting his name, I think प्रहलाद सिंह पटेल जी. प्रहलाद सिंह पटेल जी से ये बहुत अनुनय विनय, and my appeal goes to him to take care of the hoteliers who have been laid off forcefully. I mean, it's nobody is responsible for it, but yes, we can be constructive. We are one people who are hell of a positive people. You try them once, you'll understand the values of discipline, dedication, delivery on time, and that too happily. Namaskar. This appeal goes to the people who are in charge, authorities, all state ministers, all cabinet ministers, and all chief ministers. I hope the people of my industry will carry this appeal to them so that it reaches to the right corners, sir. क्योंकि बैठने का टाइम नहीं है। सोशल मीडिया को यूज कीजिए और मेरे विचार से जो दोस्त सहमत हैं वो प्लीज फॉरवर्ड दिस सो दैट इट रीचेस टू द राइट पीपल। एंड आई थिंक somebody has to tell them, cajole them, we are not just redundant, we are a very useful workforce, we are available for you. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Namaskar.